East End of London after the war, but before freedom came, his father was proud to come home a soldier and marry his girl. Juliet was her name. Meanwhile, a boy on the south coast of England imagined the father he'd never known, born in the war whilst his mother was waiting for news of her lover who never came home. And now they're together, sharing one heart, a whole world between them but never apart. School days for Donald were a mixed kind of blessing, lost in the things that he heard people say. Surrounded but lonely, he slipped through his childhood, the few friends he had slowly drifting away. At the same time, the world seemed to open for Gordon, named for his father, a hero it seems. His mother grew distant, but he never noticed his life running on like some vagabond dream. And now they're together, sharing one heart, the whole world between them but never apart. So Gordon went up to study in Cambridge, French and Italian, the history of art. He knew he had talent, but how best to use it? The gap in his life somehow tore him apart. Dining alone one late summer's evening, he ordered a bottle of good French red wine. The waiter was Donald. He opened the bottle, and everything changed from that moment in time. And now they're together, sharing one heart, a whole world between them but never apart. Donald and Gordon moved down to the south coast. Two hearts and lives were joined into one. Good times and fine wines, a restaurant and a gallery that burned through the 80s by just keeping on. And now that they're older, they still share the good things. A table at Drake's, fine art in the lanes, partners in love, together forever, sharing the memory of sweet summer rain. And now they're together, sharing one heart, a whole world between them but never apart. And now they're together, sharing one heart, a whole world between them but never apart.